Hi, Motherson Sumi will be coming up with their Q4 FY21 numbers today, and this company has more global business recovery to play in when compared to the other Indian auto majors. On account of that, on a YOY basis in Q4, we are expecting Motherson Sumi's revenue to jump by 13.5%, and the numbers that we are expecting is at 17,202 crores versus 15,159 crores last year. Whereas in terms of profit, we are expecting a jump of 177%, and the numbers we are expecting is at 509 crores versus 183 crores last year. But this big jump could be on the account of the low base last year, because last year company's tax expense was a little bit on the higher side. The EBITDA of the company could be seen improving by 18.5%, and the margins can also show us a slight improvement from 9.2% last year to 9.6% this time around. So this was the YOY expectations growth for the company. But coming to the Q-on-Q comparisons, then in terms of revenue, that could show us a slight improvement, but in terms of margins and EBITDA of the company, that could show us a slight decline in the numbers reported. Now coming to the factors that could help such kind of a growth for the numbers of the company. Firstly, their global business could be heading back to normalcy. That could help the growth in the numbers, and also higher preference for personal mobility was seen in the European market especially, and good demand momentum was witnessed in such markets. So that could also help the numbers for the company. Now coming to the segmented division, their revenues expected from the different segments of company, then their plastic body division, that is the SMP division of the company, could show a growth of around 11%, while their PKC business division growth is expected at 8% this time around. Now coming to the margins expectations of the company, what could be impacting the margins of the company? We see that the raw material price inflation has been impacting the margins of the all auto companies. Same could be the case for Motherson Sumi. That could hold back the growth in the margins of the company. But at the same time, the company has been taking a lot of cost cutting measures which could aid the margins, and the YOY comparisons, we are expecting an improvement of 400 basis points in the margins of the company. Now apart from the headline numbers, what all to be watched out for in the commentary from the management, firstly, their capex guidance will be key to watch, because analysts are expecting financial year 21 and 22 capex to be around 2,000 crores. Secondly, what is the debt reduction plans of the company could be the next thing to be watched out for. And thirdly, their demand outlook from the global markets, and especially in the European markets, what kind of a demand recovery they are seeing will be the third key factor to be watched out for apart from the headline numbers. So these were the expectations from Motherson Sumi in Q4.